So this was the unboxing and I was really excited to try the faber-castell, and this is how it went. And you'll get set of 12 pencils and you'll get like from 2H to 8B, and all the pencils are really good and safe. And these pencils are really handy and they are really lightweight when compared to Staedtler, and you can really enjoy the big sharp tip when sharpening, and it is really so good. You will get the like thin and sharp tip. I really want that. So faber-castell is really a good pencil and I'm just giving a positive review about it, so you can definitely try and go for it. But if you want to work for the higher grades, take support of some other brands. Like you can also use 10B from Artline pencils, and yeah, those pencils will provide the dark tones. But yeah, you can really try and really enjoy the pencil. So give it a try. And one thing I need to definitely mention, these pencils are really affordable. That means Staedtler 14, that means 12 pencils you'll get for 1400, whereas faber-castell 12 pencil you will get for 700 itself. So those who are looking for good pencils below 1000 rupees, this will be their best choice. So give a try definitely. I'm just helping you people to find the good pencils. That's it.